How to trade tokens on SafePal. Are you suspicious to trade tokens on SafePal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To trade tokens on SafePal, open the SafePal app on the mobile device. Now tap on swap button, which is located at the bottom of your screen. Now click on swap. After you click on swap, choose the token you want to swap from and the token you want to swap to. For example, swap BNB from USDT, then enter the amount you want to trade. SafePal will show the estimated amount along with the slippage tolerance and network fees. Make sure the network like BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum is correct. Tap swap, then review the transaction details. If everything's look good, tap confirm and enter your security password. The trade will process in few seconds and a new token will appear in your wallet. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out all the videos in this channel for full guidance. That's it guys, that's how you're going to trade tokens on SafePal. Bye bye.